Hi, good morning. My name is Shintu Simon. I'm one of the admin panel member of Edu Skills International. Happy to see you all here. And today I'm going to explain you I'm going to give you an orientation regarding listening subtest. Thank you, Rajini Chechi, for supporting me, and Father Celine Joseph for the guidance and supporting me us throughout the OET journey. When I'm going to the listening subtest, we have total 42 questions in our listening. So 42 questions, that is 12 questions reading part A, 2 extraction, each 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 questions will be in reading and listening part A, and 6 questions in listening part B, and total 12 questions in listening part C. So totally is overall it's 42 questions. And second question is, where do I write my answers for the listening subtest? So for part A, you can see there is a space that will be provided in the booklet, and you have to write the space where they have given. You have to write your answers, space they have given. Okay. So in part B and C, there will be a circle for in front of each options. There will be a circle. You have to shade that circle there. So if you write your answers anywhere else in the booklet, it will not be analyzed. So third question is, do I need to write down exactly what I hear? Yes, you have to write in part A, you have to write whatever you hear in the audio. So if you write another word or a synonymous of that, your mark will not be analyzed. So fifth question is, do I lose mark for the spelling mistake? No, if the meaning is same and you missed, like instead of I you have written E, you will not be your mark will not be get lost, but the meaning should be the meaning of the word should be in correct way. Okay, so you will not be getting but make sure we won't make any spelling mistake during part C, because if any spelling mistake is sometimes if they are telling, okay, listening was so easy, so if anyone has a spelling mistake, just consider their lose mark. We'll get lose mark. So do not think that if I write a spelling mistake, they won't be they will give mark for us. Okay, don't take it as an advantage. So okay, then we can move to the each module. So part A is total, as I said, total 42 questions is listening, and part A is consultation extract, that it can be by a health professional and a patient, and most of the answers will come from the patient mouth. We have to be careful while listening the audio. Okay, that is, part A is assessing your ability to identify the specific information during the consultation. So they are assessing your ability to identify the specific information what the patient is giving or the doctor is hearing. So make sure while your golden seconds, when we get the 19 seconds for the listening, how to be careful about the subheading. They will mention patient area, background, medical conditions, surgical conditions. There will be a heading in the right side of the booklet. You have to make sure everything you have to take an underline of that. Okay. So then after the text, they will be giving a 1 minute to check the answers. How to read your proofreading is most important thing. Okay, and main thing is that while we are getting the 19 seconds of golden chance to seconds, we have to predict our answers. While predicting, we can reduce our timing. Okay, so in part B, there will be 1 minute of listening will be going on, and it's about short workplace extract. So it can be like handover or any team briefing or any health professional conversation. It can be patient that light up. It can be around 1 minute of that, and this is mainly to identify your ability to capture the details of the extract, details of the audio, or what is the gist of the audio, or you have to identify what is the opinion or the purpose of the short extract. This is only to identify your ability to. Okay, so there will be 6 questions, and you have to circle the you have to shade the circle where the best answer is available. Okay, so part C is presentation extract. There will be around 5 minutes of extract will be provided, and it is to ability to follow the presentation or the interview. So they are checking your ability if you are understand whether you do understand the recorded section or not. Okay, and it can be like interview or a monologue will be played there. So this is about the listening, and what is our family do? What is EduSkill mainly used to do? Like we have 1 month of listening module, and this when we are taking a 1 month, first week we will be conducting listening part A. So in listening part A, they will provide 2 extracts, and you have to write down your answers. Like we have to practice like an exam based orientation technique, and refer the keyword, then come to the answer where you have whether it is correct or wrong. And secondly, you have to, there will be a mark sheet, there will say self-assessment form. You have to mark down your scores. Then again go to the audio and listen carefully where you have taken the mistake, and then you have to correlate with the script writing. Then there you have to do script writing and take the script writing with you and assess your score, how you got the wrong score, and what is the synonymous, what is the paraphrasing has been used there in script writing. So second week we are moving to the listening part B. The same method we have to follow, and third week is listening part C, and final last week is listening hall test. So this is the way we are practicing, and we have daily task, and that is posted in the main platform as well as in Coaching Rainy app. And you need to complete your task and submit your mark in Coaching Rainy app. So that is not to just a number where you have to submit your answers. You have to mark all the things, and like a synonymous, paraphrasing, time expression, what they have given, everything you have to mark down, and you have to submit in the you have to reanalyze it, analyze your things and send it in the Coaching Rainy app. Then at the end you have to submit your self-assessment form. Then only we can assess your how you are improving or not. So this is all, and we have daily polls in our main platform in EduSkills, and listening challenges will be posted there every day, how to practice on that. And we have Zoom, we have like 8 p.m. discussion every day we have, and actively participate in that. I assure you that your time will not be lost on that time. You will be getting more knowledge during this 8:30 p.m. discussion. So kindly follow that. And we are all here to improve our OET scores and improve our OET studies. So good luck all of you, and thank you all for listening to me.